Alright, you guys, so behind me we have my G82 M4 competition, or BMW M4 competition. Just got off work, but we're gonna do a little bit of maintenance for this car. This is my first time doing an oil change on it, and I've watched like 2 videos. It looked pretty simple, like every other oil change. It's just extra steps I have to take. So we have the car up on ramps. Now let's just jack it up. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but I have the jacks under. It's time to lift this bad boy up. Always do a tug test. I think we're good, guys. Oh shit. I should have taken off the fucking filter first. Start with the filter first. I can't reach it, I'm too short. Start over. Alright. Have the car on the floor first, and then get the oil filter off. Let it drain a little bit, and then you can lift the car up and do the drain bolt. I'm gonna show you guys really quickly where it's at. So you're gonna want to remove the engine coolant reservoir. You want to remove 2 of the screws. I am missing one. Fuck. So it's gonna be that one right there, and then you should just slide this out the way. Also, you can move the harness out of the way. You just want to pull this tab. Let's see if I can do that. But there we go. So I got that out the way. So that, once you move this reservoir out, there is it that? It's right there. So that's gonna be a 32 millimeter, and that will come out once you move everything out the way. Seems like someone tried to work on this and they lost one of the screws. These are 2 completely different screws. You need the female version socket for it. And then this, you just need the regular Torx bit. This is a T25. This is the E6. This is what you're probably gonna have on your car, the E6 size. I should be able to just move this over, move it to the side a little bit. Go ahead and use this to loosen it up. I smell oil now. I'm gonna keep that kind of loose, let it drain basically. Now I'm gonna lift the car up and get to the underside. All right, car's up. Let me take you guys down under. Well, damn. So you're supposed to have a little plastic tray here, but I guess mine doesn't have it anymore. I'm sorry, but my camera overheated. So we got the drain plug off. This car takes, what, 7 quarts? 7 liters, 7 quarts. So I bought the Keys Motorsports kit. Comes with the oil filter, and it comes with the oil filter, and the oil filter has a new crush washer, and it has a new O-ring for the oil filter housing. I'm gonna let this drain and then plug it back up. When you tighten up the drain bolt, I think it's set to 25 Newton meters. I gotta look it up real quick, hold on. So it is set to 25 Newton meters, or about 18.5 foot-pounds. But yeah, just make sure you torque that down, because you don't want to leak any oil. Especially if you spent this much money on the car. I'm gonna let this drain, plug it up, and then I'll come back when it comes to taking out the oil filter. All right, so I got the filter out. Now it's time to swap everything. So I'm gonna give a brief rundown of how to do it. So take this out. You can basically just pull the filter out, and then you'll replace this O-ring with this other one that I have in here. Make sure you oil up the O-ring whenever you change out the filter. And then after that, you just want to plug everything back in. Also, the oil filter has like a little nub right here. There's a reason for that. So inside the oil filter, where you're supposed to turn this into, or screw it into, there's like a little slot for this little nub. I'm gonna call it a nub. I don't know the exact term. But yeah, you want to put this in there. Once you get that in there, tighten it. I think a good few hand tighten turns are fine. Use a tool, of course. But after that, you want to refill the oil, and I'll show you guys that after. Alright, I'm sorry. My mic died. I hope the camera mic is fine. But when you put on the oil filter, that little nub, I don't think it has to line up, because I tried it a few times. You put the oil filter in, it'll automatically rotate itself until it reaches that point. And then when you pull it out, then it will still be aligned. So I'm pretty sure that when you put it in, it'll twist into place. Now, just gotta fill it up with oil, and probably gonna wash the car a little bit. Alright, we're back onto the old mic. And now we're just gonna fill up the car with oil, 7 quarts, and should be good. That's not all. This engine, these 2 more of these. Always double check everything. Double check that the coolant reservoir is in, your oil cap is clicked in, and that engine harness, make sure you clip that back in. Now, real quickly, we're gonna try to do the reset. So I got my keys. Now you want to hit the button 3 times. So let's see what happens. Oh shit, I think I did too slow. Oh, there we go, diagnostic mode. Now you want to hold on to that BC thing. Alright, let's run that back. So 3 times. Let's see if it's gonna pop up. There we go, diagnostic mode. Hold this BC button until the screen prompts. They said like 15 seconds. Ah, there we go. So then you hold it again to basically say you want to reset it. Reset, hold again. There we go. Now you can just turn the car off. I usually keep, when I do my oil changes, on like a little notes app on my phone, and then I'll keep like the mileage and their date too. Okay, alright, I hope this works, but I am gonna go to the one of those self car washes, because I don't want to, you know, take my whole detailing setup out. If you're in SAC, I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys go here. So let me know what you guys want to see. I want to keep pushing out some content. I definitely have video ideas that I want to do, you know, to just give people a little bit more insight about this car from my personal experience. And I definitely do want to track this car one day. I just feel like it'll be like, it's going to be a little while. If you can get your hands on this car, if you're really eyeing it, as soon as possible, as long as you're financially stable. I had to wait until I had a good down payment to put down on this car, but we can go into that later. By the way, you guys are on the iPhone right now. I hope the video quality is pretty decent at least. I don't have a camera holder for my actual camera I use. We're about like 15 minutes away from the car wash place, so I'll probably catch you guys there.